Chopper Motorcycle DIY Maintenance, or actually Motorcycle DIY Maintenance. These are 3 maintenance checks and replacements that I do on my motorcycle every season. I'd suggest you check your owner's manual and see the required mileage for doing these checks. But I do it at whatever comes first, a new season or the mileage. In this video, we're going to check that the reserve valve is properly operating. We're going to clean or replace the air filter, and we're also going to clean or replace the gas filter. The K9 gas valve, or petcock, has 3 positions on it: a on, off, and reserve. So basically there's one hose that comes out of it, and that goes through, on my bike, a fuel filter first, and then it goes into the carburetor. On my bike, the fuel filter is a cleanable one, and it sits right behind the air filter. So I take the cover off the air filter, and to make better access for it, I open it up and clean it out, check for any rust or particles that are in it, put everything back together with Loctite on it. But before I put it together, I go over and I put the filter on reserve. Now I use this plastic bottle that I cut out. I use it for oil changes, but I also use it in this case. And you can see it's the way it's cut out, you can fit the lip under wherever you're working to catch the oil or gas. And I turn the filter on reserve to make sure the reserve filter is not blocked, because the reserve filter is just a pipe that goes up into the tank, and it feeds from the top normally. Once it gets below the top of the little pipe coming up, there's another hole, and that's for the reserve, that's lower down. And that'll give you, who knows, another half a gallon or so of gas. So you want to check that at least once a season to make sure it's not clogged up. And this is the simplest way to do it. After you do that, I put some Teflon tape on the threads of the fuel filter and put it back together. You don't have to use a filter like this. There's also other filters like I show here, inexpensive ones. I like ones that you could see through, so you could see if there's any debris inside there. And these inexpensive filters, when I used to have them, I would change them once a season automatically. Now while I'm at it, and I have the filter, which is a cleanable filter, air filter, I have this little kit for cleaning the filter and also re-oiling it. Very easy to do. You can check the instructions on the kit when you pick it up. So I do that at the same time. So basically here we've checked that the reserve valve is not clogged and working. I cleaned out the gas filter, and I also cleaned the air filter. And naturally, when you put things back together, make sure you use Loctite. And then I always run the bike, make sure you don't, in this case, have any gas leaks, and you're all set.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.